and they have washer, so keep that safe. Alright, every single bolt. Oh frick, just to bear that in mind. Oh my god. Alright guys, this is the second day of rebuilding the KTM RC 250. Today we are going to drop out the engine, give it a little clean, and we're going to disassemble the engine and see what it's looking like inside. We have ordered the component for an engine rebuild. So we have the rubber seal at the top cylinder, the head gasket, the clutch gasket, the water pump seal, and the oil filter. So let's get to it. Boom. So we have the front sprocket out because we are taking the engine out, but look at this sprocket. It's long gone to live with Jesus. So yeah guys, this is what a bad sprocket looks like. Bad sprocket has sharp teeth, and this has very sharp teeth. The back has sharp teeth as well, so we're probably going to change sprocket front and rear. Has any of you out there experienced taking a stock exhaust out of KTM Duke 200 or 250? I can reassure you that it's freaking hard to do so. Look at the shape of this thing. Look at the shape of the frame. It's just wedged every corner. But you gotta have patience with these things and work your way and slowly tap it here and there, and then eventually fall out, just like now. So the engine is unbolted, so it's just resting on that shaft. I'll slide it out in a minute. There's 4 big Allen key holding this top of the cylinder block in place, and they are very, very, very tight. That's something to bear in mind. I don't have a proper tool, I only have this, and it's proven to take a lot of strength. Luckily I got Alice to help me. That there is just wedged, but you can still get it out. 4 bolts. Oh, there's a little Allen key here as well, guys. So altogether there is 4 big bolts and 2 little bolts at the side, which is this one. Alright, they are long and they have washer, so keep that safe. Alright, I'm gonna take it off, clean it, put it in box, organize it, and then we'll tap it. Now every single bolt. Oh frick, they have washers. Just to bear that in mind. Oh my god. No. It's gone right in there. Oh my god. Keep it this side up because the valve might fall out. This there is what we need to replace. That's what it looks like. Jeez. That does not look right. Look at that. No one knows why it's letting in coolant.